Hello guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to silence your TikTok account when opening it. Let's get into the video. So once you log into your TikTok account, you simply click on this three horizontal line. After which you click on settings and privacy. Once you get there, you scroll down, you click on playback. After which you are going to see open TikTok on silence. You simply need to enable this, so that each time you want to open your TikTok account, the video will not automatically play. So let us test it. So we are going to close our TikTok, open it back. You can see all the videos now are on silence, as you can see. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below if you face any difficulty doing this. We love you all.